Vitamin E capsule benefits for hair and skin. Vitamin E capsule benefits for hair and skin related treatment. Benefits of vitamin E capsule for hair growth. Vitamin E capsule for stretch marks. Health and glowing skin can be achieved by simple use of vitamin E capsules. In this video, we get to know about vitamin E benefits for dark circles, acne, and many more uses. In most of the beauty products, vitamin E is the main component of the product, so it often called as skin capsule. Other uses of vitamin E for skin whitening and pimple spots treatment. The high amount of antioxidants present in vitamin E capsule which help to treat all age-related problems like wrinkles and dry skin. Let us find out the vitamin E benefits for the face. Vitamin E capsule for face. If you are suffering from pimples or acne and also got dark spots because of that, then do not worry. You can use vitamin E for acne and to treat spots. Mix 1 tablespoon almond oil with 1 vitamin E capsule and apply on spots and leave it. If you use at night, then you get best results. This is the very simple way to use vitamin E capsule for face. Vitamin E capsule for stretch marks. Stretch marks are due to pregnancy or due to sudden weight loss. This skin has to face sudden stretching, which is not good for it and hence result in these marks. Don't worry, you can use vitamin E capsule for stretch marks removal. Take half a teaspoon of cocoa butter and 5 to 6 capsules of vitamin E, mix it. Use regularly this mixture on marks for few months to lighten the marks. Another way to use vitamin E capsules for stretch marks is mix the capsule with almond or coconut oil. Massage this oil on stretch marks for months to see the amazing results. Slowly marks will fade away. Vitamin E for skin whitening. Dark skin tone can be lightened by these capsules. Mix almond oil with vitamin E capsule for skin whitening face lotion. Apply at night on the face and wash it off in the morning. You can massage also or apply it gently on face, neck, to prevent excessive dryness of the skin. You can mix capsule with your moisturizer or night cream. Vitamin E benefits for dark circle. Dark circle under eyes are common problem among youth, and it is very difficult to remove it. But you can lighten the circles with the vitamin E benefits for dark circles. Take out the oil of the capsule and apply on the circle at night. Continuous use give you the best results. Vitamin E capsule benefits for chapped lips. Use of vitamin E for lips to get shine and smoothness. Mix capsule with almond oil and glycerin to apply on lips. Within few days you will notice the change in lip color and texture. Lips become more soft, supple and smooth. Vitamin E capsule for hair growth. Long and strong hairs are always every girl's dream. Mix castor oil with these capsules and apply on hairs. In this way one can use vitamin E capsule for hair growth faster. Other problems of hairs like gray and dull hairs can be treated with the capsule use. You can mix a capsule with oil like almond or coconut oil to make hair oil. Massage your hair and scalp with these homemade oil to get rid of hair problems. Vitamin E capsule benefits for wrinkle. As you grow old, your skin also shows signs of aging. Wrinkles, dull skin, and saggy skin are common symptoms of skin aging. Vitamin E capsule directly apply on your face or mix it with almond or coconut oil. Antioxidants work on skin tone and wrinkles to get young, natural, glowing skin.